Um, Mahal, hello po. Ah, how are you? I hope na you're doing good. Miss na kita. Sobra. Kung alam mo lang kung gaano katindi ng tama mo sa akin. Thank you as always. I miss everything about you. Yung lips mo, your eyes, especially your tongue, the way you keep on sticking it out every time we are together. Nakakatuwa siya. I'm longing for your hug every time you're hugging me kasi I'm feeling safe and protected. I remembered what I shared before I leave for work. Alam mo ba na another first for me itong bagay na to? I mean, yung ginagawa ko ngayon, yung voice recording, iba nga talaga pag in love. Thank you for this happiness na ang tagal kong hinintay. I've waited for you for so long, and now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Never. This relationship of ours, I know na mahirap siya, and it takes a lot of faith for this to work out. Of course, for this to work, it must be also coupled with loyalty, trust, honesty, and the one that started it all, our love for each other. And I just would like to quote in one of your status na remember mo yun, na remaining faithful is never an option but a priority. Loyalty is everything. Yeah, couldn't agree more. It says everything. I don't need to elaborate it further because we both know naman kung anong naisip parating ng phrase na yon. I assure you na I'm over him. You don't have to worry about me because I am all yours, same as you are mine. Let's don't dwell sa past. Sabi ko nga, what I'm experiencing right now is always new. My love for you is a new one. Ikaw lang yung laging laman ng isipan ko. Cheesy ba? Yun yung yun yung lagi kong napapaisip every day your thoughts are my strength to keep going. I'm so excited na makita ka ulit. I'm inspired to do my work here cause alam kong may isang taong pinapahalagahan ako. I'm sorry kung naging ganito yung setup ng relationship natin. Just hold on. I kept on saying to myself na my love for you is always stronger. And sana, ganon ka din sa akin. We can do this. Just keep the faith. I love you ng sobra-sobra. You're always included sa mga plans ko, especially now. Thank you for making me whole again. I escape my past because I embrace not just someone better but definitely the best. I'm broken before but It's you who fix my fragile heart, and I know you'll take care of it. Diba? I felt your sincerity. I really do. I really do, Japs. In that short span of time na nagkasama tayo, alam mo yung pakiramdam na bigla na lang na parang ang mundo ko ay it revolves around you. The fact na I met you few days ago lamang. Who cares? Yun yung nafe-feel ko eh. Ikaw yung greatest gift ni God for my silver birthday. I'm so lucky to have you. Yung pagiging expressive mo, yun yung isang bagay na nagpa-realize sa akin to open my heart once again, to give another chance, to give another chance, and to give myself a break. You really in time sa pagdating sa buhay ko. Nakahabol pa tayo ng last trip. Siguro kung hindi ka dumating, I don't know how to handle my past that kept on hunting me. Or siguro until now, I still keep asking myself why all those painful memories happen to me na I don't deserve naman siguro. Ang laki ng naitulong mo sa akin emotionally. Grabe. Iba ka. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam na I'm being loved and accepted. I really do appreciate what you're doing for my sake. I know na someday this relationship for sure will face difficulties just like any other relationship. Maliliit na bagay, malalaking bagay. It's just normal. I'll just try to fix kung anumang problems na dumating in a manner na will arrive into a common solution. Let our relationship controlled by love, hindi yung pride. I know people will judge us because ours isn't normal, but hindi ko pinapansin yun. For me, what we have is special and unique. We shared same wavelength of emotions. Siguro time will come na mapapagod din yan sila. Ang dami ko pang gustong sabihin sa'yo. But I want those things na sabihin sa'yo personally. I'll reserve some of that when I go home. When I go home sa'yo. Ikaw, you're my home. Diba? Home is where your heart is. I really miss your hugs and your kisses. Just always remember na mahal kita. I love you so much and I'm crazy about you. Let this recorded voice be a testament of my undying love for the one person I care and love the most. And ikaw yun. Kailangan pa ba i-memorize yan? Bisyo na to. Sa radio station yan. One of the radio stations dyan sa atin. Take care always. Just listen to this one pag namimiss mo na ako. I hope na makatulong tong na-record ko ngayon to somehow ease your loneliness. Enjoy your life. You deserve that. All work and no play. Boring kaya nun. Kaya you should enjoy your life. You have my full trust. I know you'll behave. To wrap this up, I'll sing some songs I know, just a bit part of it. Yung siguro parang chorus lang. This is for you, JPGU. Pasensya na sintonado yung boses ko. Okay. I love you for 1,000 years. Yun lang. Alam mo na siguro anong kanta yun. Yung Christina Perry. Ito pa. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. I don't know who's the original singer of this one. Basta. So, mahal. Bye for now. Until then, I love you po. So much. And miss na lang kita. Miss na kita sobra. Ingat ka palagi. I love you. Mwah.